Hi, my name is Dorothea Bernique, and I'm the Executive Director of the Increasing H.O.P.E Financial Training Center here in North Charleston. We serve the local community, or have been serving them, for 10 years. And when I came into Dr. Tron, I was suffering from, or had just been diagnosed with, a herniated disc in my back. Don't really know what caused it, no specific injury or anything like that. But initially, I had gone to the doctor. They started me off with physical therapy. And for whatever reasons, of course, that was not working. It was actually making matters worse. And so they finally did an MRI, which indicated that I had a herniated disc in my back. And so from there, I was referred to a pain specialist. And I am one for realizing and understanding that you need to get to the root of the problem, not actually mask the problem. And I knew that the pain med individuals would want to maybe just give me medication and or of course shots, and that was not something that I wanted. And so I immediately began to just investigate and research myself what other options I might have, and I already knew chiropractic was one of them. And before I actually chose Dr. Tron as the physician that I would use, I did go to several other offices, and the reason why I came back to Dr. Tron was just the friendliness of the staff and the fact that he was so straightforward with what my condition was, because not only did I have a herniated disc, I had some degeneration going on in my neck area as well as the lower back. And so I was a little bit skeptical in that I did not want to do chiropractic and it not help me. So even though I knew and understood that it was an option, I also wanted to make sure that I got to the right doctor that was going to do the right thing for me. And so, but Dr. Tron's office was just so wonderful in their reception and their ability to explain what was going to take place and what needed to be done, that I actually chose them for my services. Not only did I have the herniated disc, but I had also suffered from sciatic pain going down my leg, that it kept me from doing the things that I love most, which was walking. I was a walker 5 to 10 miles a week, as well as did water aerobics and worked in my yard quite a bit. All of that was interrupted by the extreme amount of pain that I was in. And so when I started seeing Dr. Tron, of course, I had to stop all of that and just take a rest and give my body time to heal with the adjustments that were taking place. And that was in January of 2015 that I started. And I am proud to say that only within approximately 5 months, not only has the pain decreased and have I been able to get back to some of my normal activity, but I'm actually back in water aerobics, walking again up to 5 miles with absolutely no pain at the time that I did that for the first time. And so I'm very, very ecstatic about the results that I have gotten and the level of decrease in the pain that I have gotten. And the other thing that I would also like to share with individuals is that don't be afraid to approach the other physicians or the other types of care with an option. I'm very pleased to say that when I went to my doctor, because I actually did go to the pain management office, and I explained to her that I wanted to try chiropractic first, and she was very, very open to me doing that. I actually went back and reported to her what the results were, and she also was very, very pleased. And so don't be afraid just to question the options that you're given, and be willing to test out other ways or search for other ways to get rid of your pain. I can tell you that I had very few actual adjustments in my body. I can probably count them on one hand that actually got me these results in the relief of pain that I have been experiencing. So I am ecstatic to be back out walking again, doing water aerobics, and just enjoying life again. I would highly recommend chiropractic care, and especially Dr. Tron's office and his staff, to help you be relieved of any type of pain that you might be experiencing right now in your back area. They're absolutely great.